Okay, hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Okay, I want to discuss the homework that you did last week, so please check your answers. This is on page 115. Okay, 115. Okay, let's look at 1A first. Okay, this one I'll give you the answer straight away, so it doesn't take up too much time. You just check your answer. This one you should get 123,223 ringgit and 45 cents. Okay, for question B, you have to minus okay, you should get, remember to write your RM, 112,740 ringgit and 50 cents. Okay, for C, okay, I just show you C, 208,074 ringgit and 65 cents plus 376,942 ringgit. Okay, so your cents should be behind here and here should be left empty. If you want to put your cents, you just write 0.00, okay? It's the same. So your cents should be behind and then the ones should be 4 and 2. Okay, so you just plus. Okay, that is the first answer. And then you need to plus another number, 87,294 ringgit and 25 cents. Again, your cents should be in the same row. And then you add them up. Your decimal point, remember. Your RM, remember, so you get 672,310 ringgit and 90 cents. Okay, for D, I just straight away give you the answer, 330,291 ringgit minus 270,328 ringgit and 70 cents minus again 5,959 ringgit and 40 cents. So you should get 54,002 ringgit and 90 cents. Okay, look at 2A now. You have to plus an unknown to get this number. If I make the number smaller than you, smaller for you, for example, 2 plus unknown equals 5. So you know the answer is 3. So how do we know 3? You take the number behind, the bigger number, 5, minus 2. So 5 minus 2, you get 3. So same here, you take the one behind, 511,632 ringgit and 10 cents. You minus the one in front, 275,432 ringgit and 80 cents, and you should get your answer, 236,199 ringgit and 30 cents. Okay, question B, you have unknown minus this and get this. So this number should be the biggest, so you need to plus the one behind. If I give an example, unknown minus 3 equals 3, you take 3 plus 3, you get 6. So you have to plus the two numbers behind. Okay, 72,669 ringgit and 30 cents plus 325,174 ringgit and 65 cents. You should get 397,000 843 ringgit and 95 cents. Okay, for question C, the table below shows incomes of two companies. So we have Maju Bina and Ilham. This is March, this is April. Okay, question A, calculate the total income of each company for 2 months. For each company. So you just have to plus March and April for Maju Bina plus March and April for Ilham. Okay, so I just plus for you 128,920 ringgit plus 180,017 ringgit. You should get 308,937 ringgit. Remember your RM. And then for Ilham, you take 136,004 ringgit plus 89,426 ringgit. You should get 225,430 ringgit. Question B. What is the difference in March for both companies? So you have to compare the income in March. So which one is bigger? Ilham has more income. So you take the bigger number, 136,004 ringgit. You minus the smaller one. Remember, when you see the word difference, you have to minus. Minus 128,920 ringgit. So you should get 7,084 ringgit. Okay? Alright, for today's homework, okay, I'll skip this and this, so you no need to do times and divide. Okay, let's move a little bit faster. Okay, I want you to try this. Okay, you have to know how to do you have to know how to find the unknown, and also for mixed operation. Okay, for today you only have to do number 6 and number 7. So altogether there are 8 questions. Okay, for 6A, now what times, to find the unknown in front, I make the number smaller for you. What times 2 equals 6? So you know the answer is 3. What you do is you take 6 divided by 2. Okay, so you take the bigger number divided by 3. Okay, one thing here, you look here, they are all the same digits. 308620. 308620. So what you have to do is you just have to find out how many decimal points you have to move to the right. Okay, so 3 decimal points, that means times 1,000. 2 decimal point, that means only 100. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, for B, same thing here. Let's say 2 times unknown equals 6. How to find unknown? You take 6, divide 2. So you take the number in front, divide 100. Okay. For C, you can see the digits are the same. Only the decimal is in different place. So you just have to find out how many decimal you need to move to get the answer. For D, let's say unknown divided by 2 equals 3. To find the one in front, you times the one behind. Okay, so you times the one behind, you get your answer. Question 7, mixed operation. Remember, priority is the one in the bracket, but this one you don't have it, so you look at times and divide. So you do the times and divide first, then only you do the plus and minus. Okay, so your homework today, question 6 and question 7, and I will discuss these tomorrow when I see you. Okay, so please do your homework, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.